Hello, good afternoon to Cisco Live here in Barcelona. My name is Pierre-Emmanuel Ettori. I'm Technical Marketing Engineer for the Nexus 1000v. We have been doing some exciting session here about the Nexus 1000v and how to deploy it within your data center. Some of the key points of our presentation was really to highlight how the Nexus 1000v has been updated to make the install much easier and much faster to basically enable the customer to really deploy it within the current infrastructure. The key point about server virtualization is really how can I secure basically my virtual machine deployment, how can I make it more efficient, and how can I manage and scale with the number of virtual machines coming. Well, the Nexus 1000v is helping you with all those points. The first key items is about the communication between what we call the supervisor or VSM and what we call the Ethernet line card or VEM, which is actually a software line card running within ESX. Well, the Nexus 1000v is now done in an efficient way, so the communication between the supervisor and line card works great and is easy to deploy. The second key items is how can I secure my virtual desktop deployment. Well, the Nexus 1000v has plenty of different features which allow you to move from a physical deployment to a virtual deployment. For example, if you think at virtual desktop deployment, well, we will have features like DHCP snooping, dynamic app inspection, which will help you for that. If for a DMZ, we will have private VLAN. So basically all the features that today you are using within the campus, basically we are allowing them to be applied within the data center and secure your VM infrastructure. On another point, how could we make the communication better for the virtual machine all the way up to the network? How can we give them as much bandwidth as possible in terms of getting a true satisfaction by virtualizing and by getting my VMware deployment? Nexus 1000v will help you for that by technology like link aggregation control protocol and will give as much bandwidth as possible for your virtual machine. Then the key items was how to deploy the Nexus 1000v on top of the UCS server, which is the latest Cisco UCS server on the market. Well, we have been designing the Nexus 1000v to really work efficiently on top of UCS by leveraging technology like VNLink. VNLink is a concept where you can take a virtual machine and attach that virtual machine to a virtual port on a switch, on a Cisco switch. And no matter where that virtual machine will move, the Nexus 1000v will be able to follow that virtual machine within your UCS deployment as well to your data center deployment. So we have been looking at how to really efficiently deploy the Nexus 1000v by leveraging technology like MAC pinning and what we call static pinning to a port group. So thanks for your time. We had a great time here in Barcelona with really good interaction with customers. Thanks.